Everything begins with safety. You need to see and be seen, and comply with the regulations. Very powerful and adjustable LED working lights with smart control. Check. Amazingly versatile cameras at front, rear, sides, and on the implements as well. Check. Various LED warning light bars, light racks, flashes, signs, and sound signals. Check. A farm valve with hydraulic side limiters makes attaching implements safe and easy. Add a fire suppression system for protecting your equipment for a total peace of mind. Check. Whatever you want to need, we will have it. You also need to make your working comfortable. Choose any of the special interiors with leather and Alcantara seats for best comfort. Check. A tailored selection of screen rails, heated windows, wipers, and floor mats. Check. A top-notch audio system with a subwoofer and integrated hands-free phone connectivity. Check. Add some technical comfort, like the central lubrication system, and you can really focus on work. And now, let's make your tractor the most powerful and versatile working machine ever. Choose any of the options for municipality work, be it summer or winter. Choose any of the options for farming, creating the most versatile farming machine. Choose any of the various implements, accessories and tools, all with high-quality implementation. All this will add value to your unlimited tractor. They make it safe, enjoyable and valuable, making it even more available, capable and profitable. It is an investment with an excellent return.